In this video, I gave you 6 reasons not to buy the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Some of you agreed with me, some others yelled at me, as if I offended your mother. But the point is, why did I buy it then? Well, I have a good reason. You're about to find out. In that video, I told you that after buying the Air 2S, my Mini 2 got neglected, collecting dust on the shelf. I decided it was time for it to find a new home, a new owner that would love it and enjoy using it more than I did. So I posted an ad, and eventually it had to go. I must admit, I missed it. Even if I had its big brother, separations are always hard and painful. But I found it a new home, and I trust it's happy now. Anyway, I forgot to mention that I was lucky enough to get a Mavic 3, which helped ease the pain from my recent loss. And man, do I love this drone? Ask me if I love this drone.
Do you love that drone?
Do you love that drone?
Do you love that
Do you
drone?
love that drone?
Absolutely! I wish I could have sex with this thing. Okay, maybe that sounded a little weird. Some of you watching this nonsense are probably wondering why I bought the Mini 3 Pro, after all. And I want to tell you why, but you're not ready yet.
You have to understand, most of these people are not ready to be unplugged.
The Mavic 3 made me forget about the Air 2S completely. I bought it because I needed an aerial shot for a movie I was making. It was a nice shot, and despite its big sensor, the Air 2S disappointed me big time. So I punished it. I put it in the same spot where the Mini 2 used to be, collecting dust and thinking about what it couldn't accomplish. By the way, I lost all 45 minutes of footage of this movie. Check this video out if you want to hear the whole story. After shooting and seeing magnificent results, I had only 3 options. Return the Mavic 3 and prove to the world how dodgy I could be. Sell the Mavic 3 while it still was practically brand new. Keep the Mavic 3 and find a good reason so my girlfriend wouldn't consider me a loser and break up with me. So I opted for number 3 and told my girlfriend I would make money. I was pleased to come up with such an excellent excuse not to separate from my precious. I made a plan to make money flying drones, and I will document all those steps in a future YouTube series. Flying drones is fun, right? And if you're watching this video, you probably love flying drones too. So if that is something that interests you, either making money flying a drone or watching me miserably fail with my new business plan, subscribe to my channel now. You need a license to fly a drone like this in Europe and other countries like the US, the UK and Canada. I took the required courses to get the licenses I needed. As I'm based in Milan, Italy, it makes sense to start looking for customers in my area. I needed a reel, and to be relevant, I wanted to show footage of my town. Unfortunately, without the necessary experience, licenses and qualifications, I still cannot fly the Mavic 3 in Milan. That is because the whole city, for security reasons, is a no-flying zone. The only way I can fly here is by filling out tons of complicated paperwork and then waiting for weeks to get permission from the local authorities. Even though I am a licensed pilot with hundreds of hours of flying time, the authority in Italy would not even consider giving me the necessary clearance to fly with the Mavic 3 in sensitive and crowded areas. They would allow that with what they consider a non-offensive drone, under 249 grams, like the Mini 2 I had just sold. And that is why I bought the Mini 3 Pro. I needed a drone under 249 grams. Now I know I favor the Mini 3 Pro over the Mini 2 for several reasons. Wider aperture, so better performance in low light conditions. Bigger camera sensor, so better quality footage. But the main reason was the compatibility with the RC Pro, this superb controller that I use with all my drones. Once you fly with this controller, you'll never want to go back to the still good DJI controller hooked up to your phone. Because DJI just released a firmware update that made the Mini 3 Pro compatible with the RC Pro, buying this drone became a no-brainer. Once I got the Mini 3 Pro, I immediately delivered my first clearance request to fly over Milan to take some satisfying time lapses that I believe came out pretty well. Let me know what you think. Some of you commented that I was too quick to judge something I hadn't even tried. Well, now I have, and in a future video, I will make a complete comparison between my 3 children. Don't get me wrong, in the end, I actually love the Mini 3 Pro. I think it's phenomenal in terms of quality, but primarily for portability. To end this video, I still stand with my 6 reasons not to buy this drone. I believe that the Air 2S is the best bang for your buck. Unless you want to fly over places where a less than 249 grams drone is the only option. Okay, until next video, like, subscribe, and fly safely. Peace.